Welcome back to Pump Info News, my wonderful people. They say that another prime minister don't emerge for inside Biafra government in exile. As we talk right now, it don't read for the matter. They come back from Christmas. They say people where they call kidnappers. Things are happening in Igbo land as we talk. As that one they happen though, they say that Nigeria armies are behind all this thing that is happening in Southeast with their roadblocks. We will bring the videos. Go show now. My people, before we bring the video of the person who take over from Biafra government as acting prime minister, I go show now one video. Make una watch things where they happen from the road of Southeast. Then before we go watch that video, please stay tuned to the beginning and the last so that you can understand everything where they happen.
This is the military checkpoint at OP. You can see what these people are causing here. The road is fully blocked. Can you watch the go slow from here to far? You can't believe it. What is happening here? You can't believe it. See, go slow. This is unbearable. Please let it too deep make a call to those who are at OP Junction. OP, those army at OP, so that to open this door. They will open this road for motor to pass. This is too much. You can watch what is happening. See the go slow here. Everywhere is blocked. Soldiers were causing it. It is soldiers that are causing it. At OP Junction, at OP towards OP, those soldiers there, they are causing this go slow. Please let them make a call to them. Let them make a call. Let there be a call. Let there be a call from it's too deep. It's too deep will make a call.
Ya moto ndị kidnap n'ozi so kita ka ha na-eme na vulu ha bụ ọfịa moto ndị kidnap n'ozi isi afọ security ndị iso sọnsọ udo ka nwa na ofu ndị agụlele ka a na-afụ ebe a onweghị onye isi na onweghị onye ọda security na ebe a ya moto ndị kidnap kita n'ozi isi na-anala onwe ha Christmas moto ite anụ onwe security afụl sọnsọ udoka na ofu onye agụlele abịakwa na-akwụfuchi ụgwọ today bụ 25 akwesịrị ike ifta na-alụ ọlụ ajọs nnọọ hafụ ụzọ ya moto ite kidnap ndị na ya n'ime na nwaanyị a na-evolu die ya hapịa maka na hafụ dị woman. Yeah, moto ndị kidnap n'ozi so kita.
People, this now waiting they happen for Southeast right now as we talk. Make I play you the video of how they inaugurating and swearing in another prime minister who is taking over from Simon Ekpa. Watch the video.
Yes, unmute yourself. Okay. So the next step now that Biafrans have spoken, they have. Yes.
Thank you.
Now the next step is to swear in our acting Prime Minister, Honorable Ovêr Kunkere. Our acting Prime Minister elect out of office. Honorable Ovêr Kunkere, the acting Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile. Please stand up, place your right hand on your chest and repeat after me. I,
on your chest, sir.
Yeah,
okay.
Right. Yeah, thank you. Yes, okay, thank you. I, Honorable Isaiah Anyogo, aka Ovêr Kunkere, the acting Bridget Prime Minister-elect, in the absence of the Prime Minister, do hereby solemnly swear. I take an oath to serve as the acting Bridget Prime Minister and to relinquish such position upon the return of our Prime Minister to active duty. Position I pledge to serve the people of Biafra truthfully, diligently, and to the best of my ability. So help me God. Honorable Isaiah, you can now repeat after me. I take an oath to serve as the acting British Prime Minister. Should I cut it short? Yeah, okay, go ahead.
I take an oath to serve as the acting Brigade Prime Minister
and to relinquish such position upon the return of our Prime Minister to active duty.
And to relinquish such position upon the return of our Prime Minister to active duty.
Position: I pledge to serve the people of Biafra.
In this position, I pledge to serve the people of Biafra.
Truthfully.
Truthfully. Diligently.
Best of my ability.
And to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Amen. He said, thank you very much.
Yeah.
So, thank God.
Thank you, Honorable.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Yeah.
Thank you all. And I have a message for Biafrans. The message from the Biafra Republic government in exile, acting Prime Minister-elect, Honorable Isaiah Enyogo, aka Ogechukwu Nkere. I salute our leader, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I salute our Honorable Prime Minister, His Excellency Ekpa Njoko. I salute Biafran Defense Forces, BDF, and Biafran Resistance Fighter, BRF. I salute you all with utmost respect and reverence, because our defense forces has discharged their duties with professionalism. Our people in Biafra land are safer today, more than other parts of Nigeria, despite the ongoing Nigerian military occupation of Ireland. Nigerian military have killed tens of thousands of innocent Biafrans, destroyed or burnt our homes and businesses. These atrocities are in our defense force and resistance fighters are fighting. We are all gathered here at this time out of necessity created by the absence of our Prime Minister, who at this time is on official duty, answering questions from Finnish police regarding Biafra liberation. His absence has created a vacuum which the usurpers of powers have tried to cash in, positioning themselves to sell our freedom to the highest bidder. But Biafran people have said no, and emphatically saying, in the Biafran Charter, we trust. As a result, I am being called to service in the absence of our Prime Minister. I appreciate your trust in me and accept the obligation to steer the affairs of Biafra Republic government in exile until our Prime Minister returns. Before now, I was the person the Prime Minister sent an error for BDF and BRF. That role I have played and will continue to play until he returns and actively take over the role of the Prime Minister. As the Biafra Republic government in exile acting Prime Minister, I stand here on this day, December 23, 2024, to pledge that I, Honorable Isaiah Enyogo, aka Ogechukwu Nkere, will obey faithfully the letters of the laws of nation as stipulated in the Biafran Charter, Helsinki Declaration. I pledge to ensure that 1. BDF and BRF are able to defend Biafrans and liberate our land from the occupying forces. 2. Set the wheels in motion for international recognition of Biafra. 3. To make good faith effort to ensure unity among Biafrans. 4. As set out in the CROC guidelines, I will cease to function as the acting Prime Minister the moment our Prime Minister is available and active on duty as the PM of the United States of Biafra. On this day, I call all Biafrans to unite, because we as a people are facing existential threat and enormous challenges. We need to come together with our BDF and BRF as we fight to liberate our land and free ourselves. May God bless the BDF, BRF, and all Biafran citizens. Sincerely, from Honorable Ogechukwu Nkere. May God also bless the United States of America. This communication will be sent to all parties necessary, especially our attorneys and the attorney of our Prime Minister. Thank you, fellow Biafrans. Greeting from here. I will serve to the best of my knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Honorable Nkere.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Congrats. May God bless you and guide you with wisdom.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank
you very much. Congratulations once again.
Yes.
Thank you, all honorable ministers, ref, and admin. We move.
Yes, we move. There we thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for taking this position as well.
Yes. We are happy. We have established an acting Prime Minister, his office, and now the next step is I think, yes, we have done it, and I'll hand over to our information minister. I don't know if he has anything, any otherwise from our own side, from CRC and cabinet members. I think we have done it, and we are happy that now we have our leader. I mean, the acting Prime Minister will now go to the office and start work, because we all have a lot to do.
Yeah.
Information Minister.
Thank you, Minister of the CRC. Thank you, our elected acting Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Honorable Minister of Finance. Your portfolio has upgraded. Yesterday, someone said you are a millionaire. I said, no, you are going to upgrade to billionaire and trillionaire. And today, you have a greater tax ahead of you. So thank you so much. Biafran people, yes, a resolution has been adopted and it is in play already. So I congratulate my acting PM for now. And this program has just established its cost. And so we are not going to prolong it. We have to bring it to an end. But I have a message to Biafrans in the media. Please, this is not time for you to go and be passing message that the zoo are taking over Biafra land. Instead, the Biafra army are taking over Biafra land. They are expunging the terrorists and they are doing their work judiciously. So all you have to do is to pass the message that after the declaration of the restoration of the independence United States of Biafra, we are taking Biafra land gradually, until we are totally liberated. So don't go and give praises to Musa. No, Musa has been defeated. Biafra Defense Forces are defeating them on daily basis. If you have your eyes and ears on ground, you will see the evidences. So if you don't see it, it will be coming on air. But challenge Musa to post some of it so that you know the outcome. I salute all of you, and I'd say thank you to all the cabinet members. Please, according to the rule of this very meeting, we don't have time for questioning and answer. It was just to adopt an act into play.
Yes.
So, CRC chairman, if you have something to say, the ball is in your court.
Yeah. Thank you very much once again. It's just to thank Biafrans and again.
Welcome back to Pump Info News, my wonderful people. I bet may try to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.